My role at Redgrave is to lead the technology, digital and data practice. I've worked in senior appointments within the technology space for over 10 years. I traditionally work with a magnitude of organisations who are either privately owned, corporates, listed, private equity or VC backed, and generally work with executive committees and also board members to support on major projects of transformation in the digital and technology space. So some of the current trends that are affecting technology leaders today involve new technology adoption and innovation. AI is at the forefront of almost every organisation and how it can impact their businesses, automation, and also how it can affect their customer experience and customer journeys for their organisational customers. I think there is a big emphasis on technology not just being technologists but business facing and value creating, so as a consequence structuring teams in the right way as well as talent attraction and talent retention coupled with diversity and inclusion to allow alternative perspectives into the building of teams is super topical at the moment as well. I think there is a really important facet at the moment where there is a big focus on the rise of the deputy CIO, which ties directly into the appropriate level of succession planning to ensure that there is a strategy in place as the organisation continues to scale and to protect it should any changes happen at a strategic level. Regarding trends within private equity specifically and how technology impacts those organisations and those firms, there is an increasing trend of the rise of the technology operating partner. Traditionally, operating partners and advisors would be involved in the deal advisory and the due diligence phase at the front end of a process. Now, as business-facing value creators, technology operating partners are a lot more hands-on and a lot more involved in the process from due diligence and pre-acquisition right the way through scale-up of the portfolio company, including the exit of the organisation as well. So regarding technology, innovation, agility and adaptation, technology is a very quick moving function within organisations. No longer are technologists purely focused on the technology, it's about value creation for the wider organisation. A technology roadmap will often underpin an organisational roadmap, and particularly when it comes to things like scale and size and organisational goals over the next several years. The adoption of technology has to be quick because often it can be very cutting edge and have a dramatic impact on customers. It has to be agile and it has to be innovative to offer a different solution versus the investment to allow the customer base of the organisation to benefit greatly as well. The collaboration piece internally within an organisation is a huge piece. These technologists and senior leaders within the tech and digital space are now actually business-facing executives, and as a consequence, they now need to be much more involved through that value creation side of things to drive innovation and agility and adoption, at a fairly succinct pace.